Good evening, guys. My name is Yogi Villanueva, and I am a beauty consultant of Mary Kay Philippines. Tonight, I'm so excited because this is my first time, and I'm going to share to you this TimeWise Repair Night Cream for ages 40 years old and above. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification button for more exciting videos. Enjoy! So, ayan, this night cream has 48 grams of the product. And this is for this night cream pala has retinol for the advanced signs of aging. Fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, meaning hindi siya pumapasok sa pores. As we all know, guys, di ba sinasabi nila, you have to eat vegetables and fruits para maging maganda yung skin. Well, that's true. Pero, hindi lahat ng kinakain mo kaya in-nourish yung skin mo. So, you still need to put, to use skin regimen onto your skin para naman sa panlabas na, skin. Kasi, yung mga kinakain mo, para lang yun sa loob ng skin mo. Paano naman yun sa labas, diba? So, this night cream, actually, this TimeWise Repair of Mary Kay has a set. It includes cleanser, day cream with SPF 30, serum, which is the main product for lifting, wrinkles, fine lines, this night cream, and eye cream. Tonight, papakita ko sa inyo itong night cream. I'm so excited! Unlike ordinary moisturizing cream, tcharan! Ganito siya. Kasi, diba, yung ibang moisturizing creams, pagbukas mo, yung product nandyan lang talaga. So, gagawin mo, didip mo yung fingers mo, and then, lalagay ka ng moisturizing cream, and then, dip mo ulit, ganyan. So, ang tendency, naka-open siya, nagkakaroon ng bacteria. What if, hindi naman ganun kalinis yung fingers mo? Ginanyan mo, tapos papahid mo ulit, diba? So, yung consistency ng product, hindi masyadong maganda because nalalagyan ng bacteria. This one, hindi. Pe-press mo lang siya. So, tingnan natin hanggang sa lumabas yung press. Tingnan natin hanggang sa lumabas yung product. Actually, ang dami ng ayun, may lumabas na. Tcharan! Konti pa. And also sa neck area kasi para nga hindi magsag yung face ko. This one has retinol for the advanced signs of aging. So, to apply this, pagkalagay, just use your beauty fingers, your middle finger and your ring finger, upward and outward motion. Ganyan. Siyempre, mas maganda to pag ginamit mo muna yung serum. Pero, nakaka-lift na siya ng skin. Tingnan natin. I will do another vlog after maybe 2 weeks. Tingnan natin kung may nagbago nga sa mga fine lines ko and wrinkles. So, that's it. Wait for my next video. Mag-video ulit ako dito after 2 weeks para pakita ko sa inyo if may nagbago sa mga fine lines ko. Kahit na, I just used night cream. Hindi pa ako gumamit ng serum or anything, ha. Cleanser lang siya in this night cream. Bye!